Hello students, welcome back to KV Rai Academy online study channel. Myself Ramas Maurya, your mathematics teacher. Today I am going to tell you question number 53 from your exercise 4E, which is also based on the distance and time. So the question is, a motorboat whose speed is 9 km per hour in still water goes 15 km downstream and comes back in a total time of 3 hours 45 minutes. Find the speed of the stream. There is a motorboat whose speed is 9 km per hour in still water, means in stationary water, and it goes 15 km downstream, means in the direction of stream, and comes back. So in coming back it will also cover equal distance 15 km, and total time it takes in both upward and downward journey, that is 3 or 45 minutes. So we have to calculate the speed of the stream. So let's solve this question. Let speed of stream is equal to x kilometer per hour. So when the motorboat will go downstream, its speed will be added to the current speed or stream speed. So speed of motorboat in still water is equal to 9 km per hour, which is given, and speed of motorboat downstream. So downstream its speed will be 9 plus x kilometer per hour, and speed of motorboat upstream when it will return. So it will be 9 minus x kilometer per hour, because when it will come upward, means in the opposite direction of stream, the stream will push the motorboat in the opposite direction, so the speed will become less. So speed of motorboat upstream will be 9 minus x kilometer per hour. Let time taken to go downstream is t. So t hour, and total time it is given 3 hours 45 minutes. So it will be 3 by 4 hours, or 4 3 12, 3 15 upon 4 hours. It is total time. So this is total time, and this time is being taken to go downstream. So time taken to come upstream or time taken to come back is equal to 15 by 4 minus t. So now let us apply these things. So as we know that time is equal to distance upon speed. So time is equal to distance upon speed. So in downstream, first one, so downstream time is t. So t is equal to, distance is 15 kilometer and speed, downstream speed is 9 plus x. So 9 plus x. This is time for downstream. Again in upstream, again when it comes upstream, then time 15 upon 4 minus t is equal to, in upstream or in coming back, it will travel same journey 15 kilometers. So 15, and in that case speed will be 9 minus x. So 9 minus x. Now we will put the value of t. So from here it will be 15 by 4 minus t, 15 upon 9 plus x is equal to 15 upon 9 minus x. So from here we can take common 15, and so 15, and here 4 and 9 plus 4. We will take LCM, 4 into 9 plus x. So from here we can get 9 plus x and minus 4 is equal to 15 upon 9 minus x. So 15 and 15 will be cancelled out. From here 9 minus 4, it will be 5 plus x, and from here it will be 9 4 36 and plus 4x is equal to 1 upon 9 minus x. Now we will do cross multiply. So from here we will get 9 5 45 plus 9x, and from here minus 5x minus x square is equal to 36 plus 4x. So from here we get 45, 9x minus 5x, it will be plus 4x minus x square is equal to 36 plus 4x. So transport this, so 4x minus x square, and this 4x when it will come to this side, it will become minus 4x. Here it is 36, and this 45 when we transport to other side, it becomes minus 45. So plus 4x minus 4x, it will be cancelled out. So minus x square is equal to 36 minus 45, it will be minus 9. So minus minus will be cancelled. So x is equal to root 9, and which is equal to 3. It will be plus minus 3, but speed will be not negative, so we take positive value only. So x is equal to 3, and this is kilometer per hour. So the speed of stream is equal to 3 kilometer per hour. So by this way you can solve other question. You will have to always follow the rules. If the boat is going downstream, so the speed of stream will be added to the stream of boat, and when it will return back, so in that case the speed of stream will be subtracted from the stream of boat. So for today that's all. Thank you.